Welcome. Let this be a sacred moment just for you. Find a quiet, comfortable space. You may lie down on the floor or sit with your hands resting gently on your lap or thighs. Close your eyes gently. Take a slow, deep breath in. And exhale fully. Allow your body to begin settling. Feel the weight of your limbs pressing down. Feel your feet sinking into the earth, your calves softening, your knees releasing tension. Let your thighs relax. Hips grow heavy, and your belly expand gently with breath. Let your lower back unwind. Your spine relax into gravity. Bring your attention to your shoulders. Let them drop. Now your arms, your elbows, your wrists. Let the fingers gently uncurl. Now bring awareness to your neck. Soften your jaw. Unclench your teeth. Release the space between your eyebrows. Let your forehead smooth. Let your eyes rest. Let the muscles of your scalp relax. Take another deep breath in. And exhale, releasing tension from the day. Let go of your thoughts, your expectations, your plans. Let go of the past and the future. There is only now. Bring your awareness to the base of your spine. This is the home of your root chakra, your Muladhara, the energetic foundation of safety, security, and connection to the earth. Imagine a deep red light glowing softly at this spot. It swirls slowly, gently, like a warm ember. Breathe into this red light. Let it grow warmer, steadier with each breath. Inhale, drawing the red light inward. Exhale, feeling it expand gently through your hips, legs, and feet. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more grounded. Imagine roots extending from your body down through the floor, into the soil, deep into the earth. These roots are thick and strong. They twist and spread out, weaving through ancient layers of stone and soil. Feel them reaching toward underground streams and mineral-rich earth. These roots hold you, support you, anchor you. You are safe. You are steady. You are grounded. Feel the earth rising to meet you. Its steady rhythm calming your nervous system. Breathe in the earth's calm. Exhale any lingering fear or instability. Let this exchange continue. Breath for breath, energy for energy. Now imagine yourself standing at the base of a magnificent red rock canyon. The ground beneath your feet is warm and sunlit. Towering sandstone walls rise up on either side of you, glowing with shades of amber and rust. The air is dry and still, holding an ancient, quiet wisdom. A gentle wind carries the scent of dust and sage. You walk slowly into the canyon. With each step, you feel more present, more steady. The path beneath you is smooth, dotted with pebbles and scattered wildflowers. Your footsteps echo softly between the cliffs. The path leads you toward a wide, open space surrounded by tall cliffs. You pause and look around, feeling the vast silence and strength of this place. In the center of this space, there is a smooth, flat rock warmed by the sun. You walk to it and sit cross-legged on its surface. The rock supports you fully. Behind you, the canyon walls feel like a protective embrace. You are held, safe, grounded. Let yourself settle into this space. Listen to the quiet wind. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin. Feel the strength of the earth beneath you. Let your breath slow. Let your energy settle. Let everything become still. Here, you feel deeply connected. Your spine aligns effortlessly. Your breath flows naturally. Visualize your root chakra spinning brighter, stronger. Inhale. The red light intensifies. Exhale. It expands through every cell, every pore. This light brings calm, safety, grounded power. Let go of fear. Let go of doubt. Let the red light fill every part of you. Let it travel from your root into your thighs, your knees, your calves, your feet, and down into the earth. Now repeat these affirmations in your mind, slowly, with your breath. I am safe. I am safe. I am safe. I am grounded. I am grounded. I am grounded. I am supported by the earth. I am supported by the earth. I am supported by the earth. Every need of mine is cared for. Every need of mine is cared for. Every need of mine is cared for. My foundation is strong. My foundation is strong. My foundation is strong. Let these affirmations settle in. Let your breath carry them deeper into your body. Let the red light grow steady and consistent, like a heartbeat in sync with the earth. Now allow yourself to rest in this space. Stay here for a few moments, doing nothing but breathing. Feel the stillness surrounding you and within you. There is nothing to fix, nothing to achieve. Just be. Let your breath be your companion. Let your body soften into the earth. Let the red light stay glowing, holding you in balance and peace. Slowly begin to return to your body. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Roll your shoulders gently. Feel the weight of your body on the ground. The air on your skin. The rise and fall of your breath. Feel your connection to this present moment. Now picture yourself walking back through the canyon. The sandstone glows warmly around you. You step out into the open. The sky above is vast and bright. You feel whole. You feel grounded. You feel strong. And when you're ready, gently, softly, open your eyes. Welcome back.